Plant FAQs, Aralia racemosa. An unexpected delight, my adventures with Aralia racemosa. For years, my garden has been a canvas of vibrant blooms and lush greenery. I've meticulously chosen each plant, ensuring a harmonious dance of color and texture throughout the seasons. Then, I stumbled upon Aralia racemosa, the American spikenard, and it became a delightful surprise in my horticultural journey. Aralia racemosa isn't your typical, flamboyant flower. Its beauty lies in its subtle elegance. It thrives in shady corners, reaching a manageable height of 3 to 6 feet. Delicate white flowers cloaked in a greenish-yellow hue bloom in midsummer, adding a touch of whimsy to the landscape. But the real showstopper arrives in fall. The plant transforms, adorned with clusters of deep purple berries that resemble miniature jewels. See more 73 species in genus Aralia at monsteraholic.com. Aralia racemosa versus Spinosa. When I had Aralia racemosa in my garden, I appreciated its unique foliage and its ability to thrive in shady spots, though it did require more space than I initially anticipated. On the other hand, Aralia spinosa, with its spiky branches, really stood out as a dramatic feature in my garden, but I found its thorns a bit intimidating when I was pruning or working around it. What can I expect when growing Aralia racemosa? Aralia racemosa is a low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy gardeners like myself. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and thrives in dappled shade. Harsh sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. Once established, it's relatively drought-tolerant, requiring occasional watering during dry spells. How to care for Aralia racemosa? Here's the beauty of Aralia racemosa. It doesn't demand constant attention. A light feeding of organic compost in early spring provides the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Deadheading spent flowers isn't essential, but it encourages further blooming. However, if you prefer a tidier look, feel free to remove them. Since it's a herbaceous perennial, the foliage dies back in winter. Don't be alarmed. Simply cut the stems back to ground level in late fall or early spring. This allows new growth to emerge in all its glory come spring. Does Aralia racemosa have stickers? A valid question, especially for those with curious children or pets. Thankfully, Aralia racemosa is free of stickers or thorns. Its leaves are smooth to the touch, making it a safe addition to gardens frequented by little ones and furry friends. How to propagate Aralia racemosa? Sharing the beauty of Aralia racemosa is easy. There are two primary methods for propagation: division and seeds. Division is best done in early spring or fall. Carefully dig up a mature plant and gently separate the root crown into sections, each with an eye or bud. Replant these divisions in their designated spots and keep them well watered until established. Propagation by seeds requires patience. Collect ripe berries in late fall, allowing them to dry for a few days. Plant them in a container filled with moist potting mix and store them in a cool, protected location over winter. Seeds can take several months to germinate, so don't lose hope. What to plant with Aralia racemosa? Aralia racemosa's beauty shines when paired with complementary plants. Hostas with their vibrant green foliage create a stunning contrast, while ferns add a touch of textural interest. Spring-blooming bulbs like daffodils or tulips offer a burst of color before the Aralia takes center stage. For a truly captivating combination, consider planting Aralia racemosa near ornamental grasses. The swaying blades add a sense of movement, while the contrasting textures create a dynamic visual effect. A final note, beyond the beauty, Aralia racemosa offers more than just aesthetic appeal. Its berries provide a valuable food source for birds during the fall and winter months. Additionally, some traditional herbalists have used various parts of the plant for medicinal purposes, although it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting any herbal remedies. Aralia racemosa has become a cherished resident of my garden. Its understated elegance and low-maintenance nature make it a perfect choice for any gardener seeking a touch of natural wonder in their shady corners. So, if you're looking for a plant that offers year-round interest without demanding constant attention, consider welcoming Aralia racemosa into your own green haven.